If you do any shopping on Facebook Marketplace, Mercari, or Offerup, you need to watch this video. I'm going to give you 3 common scams to be on the lookout for, and I'm going to give you tips on how to avoid them. Now, the number 1 most common scam is the Cash App scam. If you pay anywhere else other than the site you are purchasing from, you are putting yourself at a greater risk for fraud. Most terms of services on these platforms say that if you pay anywhere else other than the platform that you're on, you are no longer liable in the event that you do get scammed. So let's say you're buying like a video game or anything on Facebook Marketplace and they ask you to pay on Cash App, Venmo, or any of these other peer-to-peer apps. The reason they do that is because as soon as you send the money, they can deposit that, and there is no way for you to get your refund back from them. So just to keep it simple, if you are shopping on Facebook Marketplace, pay on Facebook Marketplace. If you're shopping on Offerup, pay on Offerup, etc., etc. Only exception is that if you are meeting locally or in person, after you inspected everything personally and it's right there in front of you, yes, you can then Cash App or Venmo, PayPal them. Yes, that is the only exception if you're doing the Cash App method. So the second most common scam is the deposit scam. Also known as the Pay Half Now scam, it is exactly what it sounds like. If you are purchasing something and they ask for a deposit before you even see the item or receiving it, usually 99% a scam. Now, it might make sense at first where if you're purchasing something rather large, if they say send me $100 and then when you get it and inspect it and everything is all good, you can send me the rest of the money. They can easily just ghost you, block you, and run off with your $100. Scam is very common and it happens all the time, so please watch out for that. If someone is asking you to send them money before ever receiving or looking or inspecting the item, it is usually a scam. The third, final, most common scam to look out for is the shipping scam. There are a couple ways that this scam can go down actually. So number 1, you guys have verbally agreed to purchase the item. They're gonna say, hey, I need to ship it to you, but the fees on this platform are too much. Can you actually go to Cash App and send me the money and then I can ship you the item? Talked about before, as soon as you do this, they can easily block you and ghost you and take away that money that they got from you. Another way that this happens is that say you're buying something locally, but let's say you're an hour or 2 away, they're gonna be like, hey, instead of meeting up 2 hours away, I can send this to you, just send me like $20 or something and I can ship it to you. Again, they ask you to just pay off site like a PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, and as soon as you send the $20, they ghost you, they block you, and they have a free $20. Last way the shipping scam works is, again, just sort of like the deposit scam. They ask you to send them like $40 for the shipping up front. When you get it and you inspect it, you can send them the rest of the money, but again, as soon as you send over that money for the shipping up front, they usually ghost you and block you, and they have a free whatever you sent them for the shipping, and you just got scammed. So in conclusion, just make sure to buy from the platforms that you're purchasing on. They have built-in buyer protection for a lot of these sites, so the moment you go away from that, you are losing all that protection. It literally says it in the terms of service of most of these platforms that they are not liable if you do get scammed. Just play it safe and make sure you buy from these platforms. Trust your gut, use common sense. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. So yeah, those are 3 common scams to be on the lookout for in 2023. If you guys found any value in this video, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. I'm gonna be putting out a bunch of anti-scam videos again to make sure shoppers are shopping safely online. Drop down below if you've been scammed before or some different scams that you've been a part of. Unfortunately, you can either DM, drop it in the comments, or you can go to my community and click on the poll that says if you guys are interested in if you'd be interested in a live stream of me just answering you guys' questions, so you can I can help you just live. It'll be in the community tab. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on the next one.